Hey, old man riding here. Packing up the bike. Gonna give you a look at what I'm taking. Going on about a 25-day ride out west. Grand Canyon, Yellowstone Glacier, Utah. And this is what I'm gonna be taking. So there's the bike. On the top I got a tent. I'm gonna put that on the side bag because I got it open. But I got a shave kit. I got the blue bags or the Patriot meals I'm taking just in case we're out in the woods and we run out of food or something. My little stove, my chair, my sleeping bag, my mess kit, and the yellow bag there. All in this pannier. I got some instant coffee. Gotta have the coffee. Up there on the top, it's a KLR bag. I got about 5 sets of clothes. And that should last me. We'll have to do laundry, I guess. I don't know. Then in this pannier we have my tools on the bottom. Pair of sneakers. Got my knee guards, knee and shin guards, in case I do some off-roading. Knife, about a gallon of water in that blue bag there. And yeah, up here we have let's close this. I'm gonna put the tent's gonna go on either this side or that side, but in here I have just essentials. I'm gonna have my gloves, my coffee mug, extra gel seat cover, some tissues, rain suit, stuff I can access very simply. So yeah, that's what's going on. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and we'll see you out on the road. Old man riding. Peace out.